Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. So friends, in this video you will learn how to disable startup program in Windows 10. So friends, before going to disable the startup programs, you must have some basic idea about startup programs. So friends, a startup program is a program or application that runs automatically after the system has boot up. So friends, a startup program is a program or application that runs automatically after the system is boot up, and it is also known as boot up programs. So friends, let's go to disable the startup programs. So friends, at first you have to right click on the taskbar. This is the taskbar. So you have to right click on the taskbar and then you will see various options here, and you have to click task manager. See, you will see this option, task manager. Just click on the option and you will see task manager window opens, and after that you have to click on the startup tab. This is the startup tab. Just click on this, and these are the programs which automatically loaded after the system has boot up. You will see Windows security notification. This is enabled. So real tech wow utility disabled. These programs are enabled. So just I want to disable this program. Simply to disable this program, just right click on it and simply select disable button. See, this is the disable button. Once you press disable, see the program is disabled. And again, to enable this program, simply right click on it and select enable button. So friends, in this way you can enable or disable startup programs in Windows 10. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.